AI threat or opportunity? Transform your business today. Is AI a threat to your entrepreneurial dreams? Many business owners fear that AI could outpace their strategies, leaving them behind in the dust. What if you could harness AI to accelerate your business growth? In this video, I'll reveal how to turn AI from a potential threat into your greatest ally. Instead of fearing AI, let's use it to grow your business. Here's how. For starters, automate the repetitive tasks. AI can help streamline your marketing, customer service, and even content creation. This means less manual work, more time for strategy. Secondly, focus on income streams that AI can't replace. The biggest mistake entrepreneurials make competing with automation instead of leveraging it. Focus on digital services, coaching, or automated resale systems that bring in consistent revenue. Thirdly, adapt now before the market shifts. The entrepreneurs who win in this new economy aren't waiting. They're pivoting now. AI isn't coming, it's already here. If you don't adjust, your competitors will. The uncertainty surrounding AI can be daunting, but embracing this technology can lead to unprecedented innovation and efficiency in your business. According to recent reports, AI is set to create more jobs than it displaces by 2030. By integrating AI into your operations, you can stay competitive and meet evolving market demands. The AI wave is gaining momentum. Early adopters will reap the benefits, while those who hesitate risk adolescence. Take charge of your business's future. Subscribe now and access our exclusive webinar on leveraging AI for entrepreneurial success. Don't let AI intimidate you. Let's transform it into a tool for your business's prosperity.